A yarn over is a fundamental technique in crochet that involves wrapping the yarn over the crochet hook. It's used in nearly every crochet stitch and is essential for creating new loops on your hook. Okay, now we'll show you how to yarn over. First, get in crochet position, wrapped around your fingers for tension control. Hold the yarn in your left hand. Then hold your crochet hook in your right hand and keep the hook in position. Ensure the hook is facing upwards or slightly towards you. This makes it easier to catch the yarn. Now use your left hand to bring the yarn over the hook from back to front. Or you can hold the yarn still and maneuver the hook. Just make sure the hook can catch the yarn. Once the yarn is over the hook, gently pull it so it rests in the groove. Usually after yarn over, we need to pull the yarn through the loop already on the hook to form a new loop. This movement of the yarn over is used over and over again in crochet. By mastering the yarn over, you'll have a strong foundation for creating various crochet stitches and advancing to more complex projects. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!